All right, so when it comes to New Balance sneakers, a lot of times we think of the premium stuff, the sneakers that catch a high price tag, the shoes that are made in USA and are rightfully so a little bit expensive. However, if you can look past that, there are some amazing options. On this channel, I refer to affordable sneakers as being options that are under $100. Half of the shoes that I show here are affordable options. We know about jumping through hoops to get sneakers. It's no fun. The best part is when you can find a shoe you like and you want to buy it and it's easy. Simple as that. So all of these options are available right now. I'll link them for you down in the description. I'm gonna do my best to give you guys a good on-feet look because that's what's most important. How do they look on feet? To me at least, that's what's most important. I'm gonna talk about price, I'm gonna talk about sizing, and yeah, whatever else comes to mind. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's do it. The hard part is figuring out where I wanna start because I'm looking at 7 pairs right now. What do I got in my hand? Those are good. I can't wait to show you guys these. That's a good shoe. Not long ago, Aimé Leondor dropped a batch of New Balance 550s. And in my opinion, this is one of the better new models that has released. There is a similar option to the 550 that I've got for you guys right here. If you checked out my New Balance lookbook, then you've already seen these, but I need to touch on them real quick because this is certainly one of the best affordable sneakers that you can buy right now. This is the New Balance 480. Retail price on this shoe is $75. I've got a little promo code that should work on it and it brings it down to just under $70. It's an all white soft leather with forest green accents. Now, forest green is actually a color that is hard to find on sneakers. It's really difficult to find actually, and it's one of my favorite colors. So anytime I see this type of colorway, I'm drawn to it. And then when you add in the fact that it's New Balance, that it's affordable, and that I can buy it right now, you know, it's a wrap. Love that retro NB logo on the tongue. They fit true to size and they look amazing for the summer. This is probably the, I was gonna say the cleanest sneaker on this list, but the one I'm saving for last, I believe, is the cleanest. I can't talk much on each shoe, so let's keep it rolling. A lot of these models that are popping up from MB are new designs, stuff that we haven't seen before. However, there are some classics that you can get for under $100. And when I say classic, I mean absolute classic. This shoe sold out, but there's a similar colorway that you can grab right now. Check out this colorway, man. Check out this colorway. New Balance 574, a classic, in mustard yellow. Beauty. Beauty right here. There are certainly some different options when it comes to yellow New Balance sneakers, but for some reason, this one just grabs me more than anything else. But there's another pair that is hiding. You already got a glimpse of these in my New Balance lookbook, but this is one of the best colorways of the 574 I've seen in a while, especially if you're looking for a new fall sneaker. I know it's summer right now, but an upcoming fall shoe, very nice option right here with the maroon, green, yellow, and then this light gray. The tongue is a little bit different on this one. It's a little bit more padded with a different logo. We got a gum bottom. But the fact that there are so many good colorways on the 574, it just makes buying this shoe that much better. I like the green hit on the midsole right here, kind of reminds me of some 998s. My plan for this next shoe is the outdoors, and no matter what I'm doing, I kind of want to flex a little, no matter what. If I'm skateboarding, if I'm playing basketball, if I am fishing, if I'm going to the grocery store, if I'm out at a bar or a restaurant, no matter where I am, I want to have an appropriate pair of sneakers for what I'm doing. So this pair is something I plan on wearing in the outdoors, and it is loud. I think you can see it peeking through the box right there. That's exactly what I wanted. So we got the New Balance XRCT, aka the X Racer. These are just so vibrant. There is a lot going on with this shoe, and it is not exactly something you would expect from New Balance. The outsole on this sneaker is incredibly rugged. I want to wear this hiking if I'm just cruising on a trail. It hits for 99 bucks, so it is at the top of our price range, but it'll be worth it. It's got absorb cushioning, a nice lockdown lacing system, very lightweight. If you're not into this green, there is a light gray color option as well, and they fit true to size. I'm just curious to know what you guys think about this sneaker. Is it your first time seeing this? Would you wear it? This XRCT New Balance sneaker. Let me know your thoughts on it. We got a couple more that I'm going to show you, but if there are any New Balance models that you recommend to us, hit the comment section, help us out. Maybe I'll feature it on this channel or someone will read it and go for that shoe. So hit the comment section, let me know your favorite affordable New Balance sneakers, and let's get into these two more options. If you're a fan of the Milwaukee Bucks and you're happy they won the championship, I'm sure you're going to be a fan of this shoe. We've got the New Balance 237. There's two colors I'm really feeling on sneakers right now. One, forest green, already told you guys that, and then purple. It is difficult to find a shoe with this combination. So when I saw it, I went ahead and grabbed it. I featured another pair of 237s not long ago. I'll show them to you guys in a second. The last pair of this shoe I got, I went true to size, and in my opinion, they fit big. So with these, I went down to an 11. My true size is 11 and a half, and that's what I would recommend for you guys. Retail price on this shoe is $75. The promo code I have might work on it to knock it down to 60 something, but 75 bucks for a comfortable, wide foot friendly sneaker. This is the other colorway that I featured not long ago. You would think it's a Lakers colorway, but this is actually more of a blue. So gold and blue with an off-white end. This last shoe, my gosh, is it clean. It is so clean. I haven't had this reaction to a sneaker under $100 in a while, where you open it and you're like, wow, these are really nice. Typically you get that from the Made in USA stuff, the collabs with the incredible colorways and materials. This one though, this got me just because of how clean it is. This is a pair of New Balance 5740s, and just look how clean that shoe is, man. Tell me you wouldn't have the same reaction when you open the sneaker box. So clean, just looks pure. There's 3 different colorways of this shoe, and they're all very similar, just the accent color is different. There's purple and then there's orange. The blue on here is just beautiful. It is that tone of blue that you just don't get. Most of the time when we see a blue on a sneaker, it's this royal blue, very standard. This is the blue you think of. This one though, my gosh, it's this ocean sky blue that just looks really good on here. It's perforated leather, so it kind of stands out a little bit more. In my opinion, this shoe fits true to size. Some people will tell you it runs a little bit big, and I kind of agree, but I like the comfortable fit of going true to size with these. You can go half size down if you really want that snug fit, but I like the way it fits true to size. Other people kind of disagree with me on that. It is what it is. These are at that higher end of the price point though. They hit for $99, and they're worth it in my opinion if you want to spend that much. Maybe they'll go on sale at some point, but I doubt it. This colorway is too clean. They're gonna sell out. I don't know if the promo code I have will work on these. You can try. No guarantees. It works on some things and others it doesn't. And I know that when my voice is starting to be shot, I gotta end the video. Thankfully, I've ran through every sneaker that I wanted to show you here, but there is a lot more New Balance content on the way. Big shout out to them for sponsoring this video. Thank you for the opportunity. A lot more on the way. If you missed any of my other New Balance videos, go check them out. Hit the thumbs up on this one if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're new. I'm out of here. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.